And now, the Morning Rush.
Here we go. Everything you need to know to get your day started.
Danny Travis kicks off your Morning Rush.
The Indian River County Sheriff's Office is changing the weapons they use after a deputy was injured when his handgun spontaneously misfired while still in its holster. While it was the first time to happen within the department, online reports show dozens of cops are suing the company for similar instances with a specific handgun. Sheriff Eric Flowers made the push to swap all 370 deputies to FN 509 along with new holsters.
Well, Israel bombarded parts of southern Gaza and widened its ground offensive in the area. The military has ordered mass evacuations in some parts as Palestinians now have shrinking options as far as places to seek refuge from the war, which Israel says is aimed at taking out Hamas.
The Republican Party of Florida has called for a special meeting to address Chairman Christian Ziegler, who is facing a sexual assault investigation. Over the past few days, he's denied any wrongdoing and refused to step down, despite calls from Governor Ron DeSantis to give up his role. This meeting is set for Sunday, December 17th.
Well, tomorrow night's Republican debate will feature Florida Governor Ron DeSantis and 3 other candidates vying for their party's presidential nomination. The candidates will take the stage at the University of Alabama in Tuscaloosa. The frontrunner, former President Donald Trump, decided to skip the debate as he has done for the last 3.